Hallo, guten Tag. Ich heiße Badri. Herzlich willkommen zum Deutsch lernen bei Foreign Languages Institute, Dilshuknagar, Hyderabad. So, in this session, we are going to do Goethe zertifikat A2, Lesen, Teil 2. Du bist auf einer Veranstaltung und liest das Programm. You are, auf einer Veranstaltung, on a event, Veranstaltung, event, und liest das Programm, and you read the program. Lies die Aufgaben 6 bis 10 und den Text. So read the tasks from like 6 to 10 and the text. Welcher Ort passt, like which place suits. Welcher Ort, like which place suits. Wähle die richtige Lösung. Wählen to choose. Choose the right answer. A, B oder C. Now, see the example Beispiel. Du möchtest in einer Mannschaft Sport machen. Du möchtest machen. You would like to do in einer Mannschaft, in a team, Sport. So you would like to do sport in a team. So you have to check which place, okay, this is possible. So here Sporthalle, like a sport hall, Schulhof, like a schoolyard or playground, or anderer Ort, like other place. Anyway, it has been already solved. The answer is A. Okay, so here whenever you have this kind of exercise, first you check in the sport hall. Then if it is your answer is that, then choose the answer. Don't look it into like a B and C. While reading the sport halla only, you have to be very careful whether this statement, whatever you are looking for the information, it is available in the sport halla. If not, then go to the second option like a Schulhof. Then even B is not your answer, then immediately go to the C, but don't look it into like which place is that, then it takes lot of time. Okay, so in examination, as per examination, we don't have much time to look in which place is that. So look the options carefully one by one, and if it is matches or you can find the information in that particular place, then go to that option and make your choice as that your answer. Clear? Next one. Du willst selbst Musik machen. Du willst selbst Musik machen. You want to do music self. Du willst Musik machen. Okay, selbst. You want to do music self. Now check whether it is in the cafe, like a cafeteria, coffee house, or Musiksaal, like a music hall, or anderer Ort, like in a other place. Next one. Du möchtest wissen. You would like to know. Du möchtest wissen. You would like to know. Wie war die Schule früher? How was the school earlier? Then in which room you get this information, like Pausenhalle, like a break hall, Schulhof, like a schoolyard or playground, or anderer or other place. And du willst ein paar chinesische Wörter lernen. Du willst ein paar chinesische Wörter lernen. Du willst lernen. You want to learn ein paar, a couple of chinesische Wörter, like a Chinese words. You want to learn a pair of a couple of Chinese words. Then it is in the which room? So option A, Musiksaal, like a music hall, and Pausenhalle, like a break hall or break room, and anderer Ort, like a other place. Next one, ninth one. Du möchtest fotografieren lernen. You would like to learn photography, like how to do photograph and all those things. So option A, Pausenhalle, like a break hall, Schulhof, like a schoolyard or playground, or anderer Ort, like a other place. Next one. Du möchtest speisen aus anderen Ländern essen. Du möchtest essen. You would like to eat speisen, dishes, aus anderen Ländern, from other countries. Okay, then it is Musiksaal, like a music hall, or Pausenhalle, like a break hall, or anderer Ort, other place. Now we'll do with the example first. Anyway, it is given already, answer is given, but in the examination you don't go with the Beispiel because it's already given, so it's a little bit of like a no need to do that in the exam, but here as a practice we'll check it out. So what is that example? Du möchtest in einer Mannschaft Sport machen. You would like to do sport. First we'll check it in the Sporthalle. So this is the information fest program, like a table of events, like a festival program im Schulzentrum, in the school center, Zuid South, 26th April. So in that school program, like in the events of the programs are taken place in a different rooms, like a Sporthalle, cafe, like a cafeteria, and Musiksaal, like a music hall, and Pausenhalle, like a break hall, and Schulhof, like a schoolyard or playground. Then we are looking for the information what you would like to do a sport in a team. So as our first option is Sporthalle, then check it in the Sporthalle first. So 15 hour, okay, at 15 tennis course, okay, tennis course, and 16, okay, 16 hour football. But what is the question? You would like to make a sport in a team. Now 17 hour volleyball game. Bitte den Namen in die Liste an der Tour schreiben. Bitte schreiben, please write den Namen, the name in the list on their tour, on the door. So you want to play a game in the team. So here asking you to write the name in the list means the group of people will be there. Then volleyball, so group of people are playing, so you may be playing in a team. Clear? So option A, Sporthalle. But what is the second option given over there? Schulhof. Now check the Schulhof. So 15 bis 18 Uhr, 15 to 18. Gymnastic like, okay, gym. And fremde Sprachen kennenlernen. Fremde Sprachen like a foreign languages, kennenlernen, to come to know or to get along. Keiner Sprachkurs, no language course. You come to know only foreign language, but there is no language class. 15, 16 und 17 Uhr, kleiner Fotokurs, like a small, okay, photography course. And Informationen über unsere Schule, information about our school, von den Anfängen bis heute, from the beginning to till today. So how was the school earlier and how is the school today? So what is that example question you would like to play in a team? So here there is no talking about any game, this is Schulhof. And the Sporthalle, it is given like that, you can give your name in a list. So this will be the answer. Probably Sporthalle is the answer. Clear? Now see the next one. Du willst selbst Musik machen. You want to do music self. Then first check it in the cafe. Then Musiksaal. If not, anderer Ort is your option. Now first we'll check it into the cafe. So cafe, 15 Uhr, the Römer Kommen Theaterstück. Theaterstück like a theater, okay, like a play. What is the name of that? The Römer Kommen. Römer like a Romans. The Romans are coming. 16 Uhr, wir spielen dein Lieblingslied, du singst. Wir spielen, we play, dein Lieblingslied, your favorite song, and du singst, and you sing. What is the question? You would like to make the music, okay? You would like to make the music self. So here we play your favorite song and you sing. Yes, so this will be a possibility that is the answer. You can make your own music here. And modern show, okay, halb 18, modern show, like a fashion show. 18 our t-shirts bemalen like to paint or to color, okay, to paint the t-shirts or color. Ausstellung, like exhibition. Rome fart des Italienisch Kurses photos, like photos. Rome fart, like a Rome journey of the Italianish course. Okay, so what is that question? So whenever you're reading that option, keep it in mind what you're looking for. So what is that you are looking for? Du willst selbst Musik machen. You want to do the music self. So the first option is given like a cafe. The second option like a Musiksaal. Let's check this also. Information, okay, halb 16 Uhr. Information, information. Französisch lernen, learn French, aber wie, but how. 16 Uhr. Film, okay, Film. Hunger ist der beste Koch. Hunger is the best cook or best chef. 17 Uhr. Concertband, okay, Concertband. Unsere Musikgruppe sorgt für gute Musik. Unsere Musikgruppe, our music groups, sorgen für, like takes care. Our music group takes care for the good music. Ab 19 Uhr disco, okay, from 19 onwards disco. So what is the question? You want to make the music. So here the band makes the music, but here in the cafe, wir spielen dein Lieblingslied. We play your favorite song, favorite song, and you sing. So with them you are doing the music. So option will be cafe. So the sixth one, du willst selbst Musik machen. So option A, it is cafe. Next one, du möchtest wissen. You would like to know. Wie war die Schule früher? How was the school earlier? What are all the options? Pausenhalle and Schulhof and anderer Ort. We have already read this option, not Pausenhalle. We have read this Schulhof in the Beispiel. So we have already some places we have already read that information. So in that case, it's easy for us to go through it immediately. Okay, fast. Now let's check this seventh one. Du möchtest wissen, wie war die Schule früher? So first go through the Pausenhalle, then Schulhof. The first option, Pausenhalle. So 15 bis 22 Uhr, 15 to 22. Fotoausstellung, like a photo exhibition. Unser letztes Schuljahr. Schuljahr, school year. Unser letztes means last school year. But what is that question you would like to know? How was the school earlier? Not like the last year. So from the beginning, how was the school? So it's a earlier. Spiel und Schach Cafe. Spiel game on Schach Cafe, like a chess cafe. Carrera Bahn, like a, okay, like a car racing track. Spielzeugautos fahren. Spielzeugautos, like a toy cars. Fahren, go or the travel. Kuchen, cake. Milchshakes, like a milkshakes. Internationale Spezialität, like a international specialities, like a international food items. Okay, yeah. So what is that question that you are looking for? How was the school earlier? But here it is given about the school but the last year. So that is the first option. Now go to the second option, Schulhof. Now we already read this earlier. Gymnastik, fremde Sprachen kennenlernen. Kleiner Sprachkurs, 15, 16, 17 Uhr. Kleiner Fotokurs. Informationen über unsere Schule. Information about our school. Von den Anfängen bis heute. From the beginning till today. Yes, this will give the information about. So you would like to know how was the school earlier. Okay, so this will be the answer. Schulhof is the correct answer. So du möchtest wissen, wie war die Schule früher? So we get the information in Schulhof. Option B. Next one. Du willst ein paar chinesische Wörter lernen. You would like to learn a couple of Chinese words. Check first in the Musiksaal, then Pausenhalle. If not, anderer Ort. Now, first option, Musiksaal. Information, Französisch lernen aber wie. Okay, here it is talking about the Französisch like a French. But in the question it is given Chinese words. Film Hunger ist der beste Koch. Konzertbahn unserer Musikgruppe sorgt für gute Musik ab 19 Uhr Disco. So it is talking about the foreign language, but about French, but not about the Chinese. So Musiksaal is not the option. The second one, Pausenhalle. So Fotoausstellung, unser letztes Schuljahr, Spiel- und Schachcafé, Kararaban, Spielzeugautos fahren, Kuchen, Milchshakes, internationale Spezialitäten. So here also it is not talking about the Chinese. Then we have checked already in the Musiksaal, and we also checked in the Pausenhalle. In both cases we don't find anything related to Chinese. Then immediately go to your option, the third one. So option C, it is Anderer Halla. Don't check it which hall it is that. No, it is not our job. Okay, the examination hall we don't have that much time, so we have a limited time. Then immediately you choose your option. We checked already option A and option B, but we don't get that information. Then immediately make your answer as C. And next one, du möchtest fotografieren lernen. You would like to learn the photography course. Then check Pausenhalle, Schulhof und anderer Ort. So we are looking for the information like you would like to learn the photography course. So the first option, Pausenhalle. So Fotoausstellung, unser letztes Schuljahr. So here Fotoausstellung means photo exhibition, not about learning a photography course. So Spiel- und Schachcafé, Kararaban, Spielzeugautos fahren, Kuchen, Milchshakes, internationale Spezialitäten. So there is no information related to photography course. Second option, Schulhof. Yeah. So Gymnastik, Fremdsprachen kennenlernen, Kindersprachkurs, 15, 16, 17 Uhr, kleiner Fotokurs, a small photography course. Okay, so this is the keyword. So option, it is Schulhof. So du möchtest fotografieren lernen. So option B, it is Schulhof. Next one, du möchtest Speisen aus anderen Ländern essen. You would like to eat dishes from other countries like an international specialty. So Musiksaal und Pausenhalle. Let's check. Musiksaal, yeah. Halb 16, Information, Französisch lernen, aber wie? 16 Uhr, Film Hunger ist der beste Koch. It is related to food, but what is it is given? You want to try, you want to eat the international dishes. So 17, Konzertbahn, unsere Musikgruppe sorgt für gute Musik ab 19 Uhr Disco. So no information about the international dishes like specialities. Now you can see the Pausenhalle 15 bis 22 Uhr, Fotoausstellung, unser letztes Schuljahr, Spiel- und Schachcafé, Kararaban, Spielzeugautos fahren, Kuchen, Milchcafés, internationale Spezialitäten. So this will be the keyword for the dishes from the other countries, because other countries like it's like a international. So this is the keyword, and our option is like a Pausenhalle. So du möchtest Speisen aus anderen Ländern essen. So option B, it is Pausenhalle. Clear? So like that you have to solve. So first read the statements and which information, like what information you are looking for. Then go to the different rooms or places which has been given. So check the first option carefully. Then second option. If you get the information from the any one of the two options, then that will be your option. In case, then your answer is option C. But don't look into which place is that. It takes like a lot of time, and sometimes even we don't get it. But here in our case, in this case, our job is only to just give the answer like which is A, B, or C. That's it. Clear? So that's all. We'll meet you in the next session. We'll be doing with another tile. Till then, shoes.